buy a whole box if it's gonna be the same price. Take off the wings. This one, you need to take it off, it's not nice. Then you need to take off a little bit of fat on the side. Cut right through in here, under the breast. Yeah, you just split it. This is the easy way to take the leg off. You got a nice leg in here. There you go, the other leg in here. Then you got the breast. With the breast, what you're gonna do? You just cut this one. I go from underneath to the top. So basically what I'm gonna do, I wanna keep both breasts touched together. So you just go right through. Need to be a bit careful in here, because if you split right in the middle, you ruin everything. So you go right in here. Right like that. Yeah, and you can see, then you start to see the spine. So the best way to do it, just lift all the breasts and cut right through. You got 2 breasts and 2 legs. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna debone all the legs in this way. You just go right through in here. You need to follow the bones, and it's really easy. You need to take a bit of time. And again, go underneath in here. Go underneath in here. Now, you cut right through in here. The problem with chicken, you got little bones everywhere, so you need to be really careful to clean it properly. So once you're here, you just peel it like that, and you go all around in here. So what you got in here, you got a bone leg. Then, we usually use, this is plain boar stuffing, yeah, but you can use anything you want, minced meat, anything you fancy. Just stuff a little bit inside. Use a little bit of sauce to glaze the meat, and again you can use any kind of sauce you like. This is garlic, wild garlic with a bit of rosemary. Then you wrap it in this way. Then this is our dry cured bacon, streaky bacon. You go around. Yeah, it's a bit more sauce on top. So again, you prepare it and you can have it like in couple of days. Inside the sauce, you got a little bit of salt, so it preserves the meat. Then the last things you have to do, just stick all together with some elastic band or string if you want to use string. And you can have this with roast potatoes, salads. Then this is one with the double breast. You do the same things, but in this way. Cover right through in here, and again it's a bit of sauce. It's a bit of bacon. Basically, once it's roast, you got the bacon and it become all crispy. And you got the chicken and it's fantastic. You can put as much as you want, or many people you have to serve. And again, you go with elastic. Voila, you got chicken royale and chicken cushion.